Hey babes, welcome to the Happiness Heals channel. My name is Miss T. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're returning, welcome back. Today we're doing a plan with me and my Live Rich planner by the Budget Mom. I'm super excited to do my second week in this planner. I have been loving it. I love being able to set out my week by the hour, figuring out exactly what I want to do and need to do on each given day. I want to share the experience with you yet again. So I'm going to flip through to the prior week real quick, and then we're going to get started with this week. So this is what my previous week looked like. As you can see, I set up my work schedule, and then I also set up some to-dos here at the top for certain days. I had a day off with the holiday and my 4th of July weekend. I had some things planned, and then my afternoons, I like to schedule those out. I did not put in workouts last week. I do plan to do that this coming week that we're working on, and then also weekly notes. I will write in anything significant throughout the week as we go through it. So that's what my last week looked like. As you can see, I started writing in the weather, but I didn't think about doing that until Sunday. So to pre-plan, I've already set up my weather at the top for this particular week. Hopefully you can see it in the frame. This planner is a little bit big. It's the 8.5 by 11. It's the larger planner provided by the Budget Mom. She does offer the same planner in a 7.5 by 9. So it's a smaller planner, a little closer to the size of the Erin Condren Life planners or the classic Happy planners. Those are smaller. This is closer to the size of the big Happy planner. And I actually really do like this because it's a catch-all planner, because it's for my household. I can stretch out my thoughts on the page for the entire week. As you can see, I went ahead and designated my 2 trash pickup days just because I didn't want to forget to put those in for this week. I also went ahead and did the weather, but now I've got to go back, put in my dates, and then put in my schedule for the week. Let's get started. So first and foremost, let me date this planner. I'm going to just use some basic black dot stickers. So I'm going to actually use this washi here to designate my work hours. I've designated time here on Monday for house cleaning and chores. Since it'll be a slow day, I want to catch up on all my house cleaning and chores this particular day. I'm going to use these Planner Kate work stickers here. So my work day really starts at 10 o'clock. Maybe I should do it here. I don't think we have really any other appointments this week. I have put in my work sections, I've put in my house cleaning, I've put in my one appointment for the week. I know I need to go to the bank this week. Before I draw my lines for work though, I want to work on my afternoons. So I noticed last week that I originally had started scheduling 6 o'clock to be my like exercise time. But I realized that I'm actually starting to use that time as more like an unwind time. So I think I'm going to designate 7 o'clock as a dinner time. That's pretty much standard in my house where I prep, prepare, or order dinner for us so that we can eat by 8 o'clock. We are a late family in that regard. And my meal planning sheet, I'll just flip through real quick. My personal planning sheet, I do a meal prep plan. If you watch my other video, it explains kind of how I set this up. But for dinner, I have a plan for what we eat. However, on the weekdays, I actually want to note what we eat in case it deviates from that plan. I really do like this Live Rich planner for the mere fact that it is giving me a lot more structure in my life, which I could definitely use. That is my water the plants segment. I've got my bath night. I need to put little headers here. Let me designate some time on Saturday for yard work. Again, even though this says things to do, I really want to use this as more of a bills to pay section. So I know I do have a lot of things coming up in terms of bills, and I get paid, so I want to make sure I note that. So that is my week. And last but not least, this is my spread for this week. I hope that I have the entire thing in frame. It's been quite an experience trying to put this one together, but I really do like it. So I used washi to designate my work time this week. I put my to-do top 3 boxes at the top, lunch prep designated. What else? I did a box over here. It says things to do, but I'm actually going to end up covering that to say bills to pay, because I do have some bills that I need to cover with this pay period. Then I just have a lot of things blocked off. So I want to work in my yard, errands on Sunday, a lot of filming time, watering my plants, dinner designations, and I really do like this. I think each week I'm getting a little bit more familiar about how I want to lay this out, and I really do like the final product. I hope you like this video. I hope it inspired you, gave you some ideas about how to use your Live Rich planner, and please feel free to jump over to my Instagram page where I'll do final pictures of this, and you can show me pictures, share with me pictures of what yours looks like as well, or drop me your IG handle and we can follow each other and see how we use our planners together. I would absolutely love that. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Also, make sure you hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell so you'll be informed the very next time we have something to share on the Happiness Heals channel. Ciao!